Hello everyone and welcome back to the brand new video. Guys, are you addicted to coffee but looking for a healthier alternative? Well, today I have something mind-blowing for you. That is date caramel coffee. It's delicious, naturally sweet and packed with nutrients that your regular coffee lacks. So let's dive into why this is the ultimate health boosting drink you need in your life. So what is date caramel coffee? First, what exactly is this date caramel coffee? Well, it's a caffeine free, nutrient rich coffee alternative made from dates which are blended into a smooth caramel like paste and combined with warm milk or plant based alternatives. It gives you that deep, rich, and slightly smoky coffee like taste without any jitters. So, how to make the date caramel coffee, which is super easy. For that, you need 4 to 5 dates for any soft variety, half cup of hot water, 1 cup of milk or almond oat milk for a dairy free option, and half teaspoon of cinnamon. Also, you can add half teaspoon of vanilla extract, a pinch of sea salt. So here are the steps to make it. Soften the dates. Soak the dates in hot water for 5 minutes to make the blending easier. Blend it up. Add the softened dates, cinnamon, vanilla and sea salt into a blender. Blend until smooth and caramel like. And heat the milk. Warm up your milk and then mix it with the date caramel and stir well. So you can enjoy it into your favorite cup, sit back and sip this natural energy boosting drink. So guys, you might be wondering why is this date caramel coffee is the healthiest coffee alternatives. So here are the reasons. First is it has no caffeine and no jitters. Unlike the regular coffee which can cause the anxiety and sleep disturbances, date caramel coffee is 100% caffeine free. It gives you energy without the crash. Second benefit is it's packed with natural nutrients. Dates are loaded with essential vitamins and minerals like the potassium, magnesium, and fiber, which are great for the heart health and digestion. Third benefit it supports the digestive health. Coffee can be acidic and rough on the stomach, but dates are high in fiber and can actually help with your digestion process. Fourth is it's naturally sweet, no added sugar. If you are trying to cut down on the processed sugar, this drink is your best friend. Dates give a natural caramel sweetness without any artificial additives. Fifth benefit it boosts energy levels naturally. Thanks to its natural sugars and essential minerals, this drink gives you a steady energy boost without the caffeine spikes and additional crashes. So, are there any downsides to this coffee? Of course, no food is perfect. Here are a few things to keep in mind. First, it is high in natural sugars. While dates are healthy, they are still high in sugar. If you are watching your sugar intake, so you limit your consumption to 1 cup a day. Second is not exactly like the coffee. If you are expecting a strong espresso kick, this might not be for you. It's rich, creamy, and caramel like but lacks the bitterness of coffee. Third is calorie content. If you are on a strict calorie count, remember that dates and milk add some calories, so balance it with your daily intake. So the question might be around how much you should consume every day. So here moderation is key. Drinking 1 cup a day is a great way to enjoy the benefits without overloading on the natural sugars. It's best enjoyed in the morning or as an afternoon pickup. So, guys, should you switch to a date caramel coffee? If you are looking for a healthier alternative to coffee with natural sweetness, digestive benefits, and no caffeine crashes, then absolutely yes, this is a must try for you. Plus, it's super easy to make at home and way better than the sugar loaded artificial drinks. So, if you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more healthy hacks, and let me know in the comments will you try date caramel coffee. See you next time. Stay healthy, stay energized, and I will see you in the next video.